Hi everyone, this is Shubham and in this video we're going to learn about Sibat, Silambam, Danda, bow staff, call it what you want. So we're going to learn the basic single hand spins for your Danda. Let's get started. For this lesson you need a Danda obviously, and the first spin we're going to perform is a forward spin. You grab your Danda from the middle like this. After grabbing your Danda like this, what you're going to do, you're going to spin it forward, सामने की तरफ, just like this. So look closely what I'm doing. I'm making an infinity sign, call it 8 or infinity sign. So from here what I'm doing, I'm spinning towards my thumb. So thumb is in the lead like this, so 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so whenever you starting with your bow staff, Danda, you need to be in this line. Okay, you don't need to start from here. Weapon hand, weapon leg in front of you always. So from here we were performing forward spin. Now the other spins we're going to perform is from this way as well. We're going to be here. The next spin is called backward spin. It is as same as the forward spin, but it is backward. I'm spinning the bow staff backwards, forward, backward. So look closely, what I'm doing right now is I'm moving on the same infinity line, but I'm not going this way. Now my pinky finger is in the lead. Okay, so I'm making an infinity sign leading with my pinky finger like this. Three, two, one. So here we're going to perform an evolution of the forward spin. So from this position we're going to switch hands while spinning forward like this. With practice comes knowledge, with knowledge comes mastery, and with mastery comes strength. So take your time, go slow, then smooth as fast. Okay, I'm doing nothing but just leaving it here while catching with the other hand. So from this position I spin here, leave it just like that, and then catch from this hand. So as you can see, I've switched my hand from this to this. From here I do the same. It's so simple, you get used to it. Practice makes man perfect, as simple as that. Practice is the mother of all skills, so you need to practice this as much as you can. You'll get a really good grip as well as eye-hand coordination. From here we are doing a backward spin. While doing backward spin we change hands just like this. like this, slowly. A little of pumping it up while throwing it, just like this, will help you in grabbing or switching hands easily, just like this. Else it would be really difficult for you to catch it. Okay, so this is how you spin it, and for more spins, tune in, check out my other work, and I'll see you in the next video. Signing off, Shubham. Yeah.